Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain to you how to use SocialBee for social media management. So here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. First is sign up and log in. Sign up and log in to their website. Next, connect your social media accounts. Go to Profiles section, click on Add Profile and select the platform you want to connect. Follow the prompts to authorize SocialBee to access your accounts. On organizing your content, go create categories. Navigate to the categories section. Set up different categories for your posts, promotions, tips, user generated content. This may help you organize content and ensure a balanced posting schedule. Next is add content. Go to the content section, click on add new content, and choose the appropriate category. Enter your post text, add images, and include links as needed. You can also use the content import feature to bulk upload from other sources. On scheduling posts, create a posting schedule. Head to the schedule section, set your posting frequency, example daily, weekly, etc. for each category. Define the best times for posting based on your audience activity. Use the queue. Once your content is added and categorized, go to the queue. Here you can see the scheduled posts for each category and make adjustments if necessary. Drag and drop posts to change their order or timing. On analyzing performance, track analytics. Check the analytics section to view performance metrics for your posts. Analyze engagement rates, clicks, and reach to understand what works best. Use this data to refine your content strategy. On additional features like content recycling, use the recycling feature to reshare high-performing content periodically. This keeps your feed active and leverages successful posts. Team collaboration. If you're working with a team, invite members to collaborate. Assign roles and permission to manage content creation and scheduling. And for best practices, experiment and adjust. Regularly test different types of content, posting times, and formats. Use A/B testing to find the most effective strategies. Next, lastly, is to stay engaged. Monitor interactions on your posts and respond to comments or messages. Use social-based engagement tools to streamline communication. I hope you learned something from that, and that's it.